banana, banana, banana,
avocado,
whoa, melon, melon, woo,
apple,
orange, orange, ooh,
carrot.
wow, 너 잘하는데?
Napakagaling naman ni Joshua. At ni Sung Kwan, baligtad pa. Ayan, kaya na-inspire akong ulitin itong fruit challenge. Let's go in 1 minute. Banana. Avocado. Melon. Apple. Para sa inyo to mga be. Orange. Carrot. As a carrot. Sarangheyo. See you on January 18 and 19 on Philippine Sports. Stay tuned. See you, mga be. Excited na.